Alright, 7.5 miles on Wagoner's Gap Road. Not Wagner, but Wagoner, like someone who rides in wagons. 944. Right. This is 74 north, obviously, as you can see from the sign. Like, why do I have to say stuff like that? I think the reason is because I can't think of anything else to say, so I just read the signs. Alright, I see a bend coming up. And got it marked as 15 miles an hour. And indeed. I think I was going at 15. Get up. Coming to another one. Wagoner's Gap Road. Past this guy. Illegal. Alright, I got the ear popped. Oh, that's cool. I love that, man. Fucking... There's a lot of them, and a lot of them have the name of Gap Road. Wagoner's Gap. Yep. Because there are gaps in the mountain, in the ridge. And because of that, it's like someone said, okay, this is as close as we're going to get to being able to cross this fucker. So that, of course, they build a road through it. And even though it's a gap, you still end up having to climb 782 feet. But at least it gets you over the mountain. And what you end up with is a fucking bitchin' road with turns like the one I'm about to come up to there. These massive switchbacks. So, I just kind of lean over the bike and you let it play out. Now we're going down Wagoner's Gap. There's a couple of gap roads on this route. Is that a deer out there? It has to be. Too big to be a dog. Yeah, it's a deer. Variety outlet. Alright. Sometimes. All the situation. Okay. Mile and a half come to Bridgeport Road. No quick shifter. Quick shifter is not working. Had it in the shop to have the quick shifter fixed. They said it was a clutch switch. There's replace the clutch switch. I don't think they did any further diagnosis. Village of Bridgeport. There we go. Wenzel Sons. H.R. Wenzel Sons. Not Wenzel and Sons, just his sons. And I'm glad I'm turning left here. It doesn't look like I was choice. Alright. Okay. Local traffic only. Yep, no quick shifter. Yeah, quick shifters. It's not going up, it's not going down. We got an 852 ETA. It's coming in a little bit, so this is Bridgeport Road. We're taking it to TA 233, Carlisle Street. And we got reduced speed ahead, so I guess we're coming to a town or something, some houses maybe. Yeah, it's town. And New Hope, that T looks like an R, so it looks like New Horror.